Hunter. Ôi Hải sao? Ôi. Hey.
It's gotta be less than 5 minutes on YouTube. Otherwise it does not.
You know, the next time someone says TV rots your brain, laugh. Laugh hard. That laughter will force out sterilized intoxicants deep into your cerebellum, slowly working it into a quivering blob of tapioca. To finish it off, we'll blast enough free TV to your lappity choppity boxes and turn your grill matter into goo matter, because we're aliens. Hulu, an evil plot to destroy the world. Enjoy. Value menu? Now get 10 great KFC tastes starting at 99 cents on the new KFC Ultimate Value Menu. The new popcorn chicken snack box, the new original recipe snacker, and more. I don't know you, but I feel comfortable. Look how close I'm getting. Have you heard? Expression of the word. Do you take the time to learn how to fly? Like to learn Korean?
Stop.
Free ticket to the ballpark? No brainer. Free ticket to all the ballparks? Decisions. Catch all the action from opening week for free with the MLB Extra Innings free preview from April 6th through the 12th. Watch every team's games and experience MLB Extra Innings enhanced view.
I see you.
Watch the MLB Extra Innings free preview April 6th to the 12th. Watch the free preview on Comcast.
Sneeze?
Comcast wants to know what you really want out of the new HD Triple Play.
I want HD, but I want it for, I don't know, free.
You want it, you got it. Presenting the next generation Triple Play with free HD.
I demand endless entertainment awesome.
You want it, you got it. Here's access to more HD and on-demand choices than anyone. Free HD, faster internet, and unlimited calling. It's the new HD Triple Play, only from Comcast. Call now. All new Ghost Hunter.